Okay. In the ancient words of the Roman Empire, I made this up. Fuck this shit. Let's go.
You want to record it?
Let's just kill people.
Are we all supposed to be going in mediums? Because I can swap down for medium instead of this Ilya.
Yeah, go to medium.
Okay.
Yeah, either a Cicada or a Blackjack. Hunchback works. I don't really care. If you want to get in a 4J, that's cool.
Zang, go to medium. Stay with the pack, man.
Nah, I'm not gonna do this one.
You're good like that?
Yeah.
Okay, in Blackjack, and I'm sorry it's not Red Lance's colors yet.
Who cares, dude? This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be ridiculous, man.
So what are we doing? All just charging together in one?
Okay. If you are in a light or medium, therefore, if you are not Kulu, we are moving as one blob. We are engaging as one blob. The idea is to circle whatever we are engaging, firing on the main target. They will not be able to do enough damage to one of us to kill us, and then once we murder one target, we will then switch to another. Do not shoot at another target other than the one that has been called out.
So it's a Cantabrian circle.
It is exactly like a Cantabrian circle, yes.
I would recommend we work specifically on legs.
I'm also okay with that, because we're cheating fucks, and cheating fucks go for legs.
Alright.
So, if we call a direwolf, you leg that direwolf. If we call a timberwolf, leg the timberwolf. Don't worry about lights,
Cicada.
we can deal with them later. After we take out the big boys, we will go to town. If you have a UAV equipped, please just put it up so Kulu knows where he needs to go. But Kulu will pretty much be able to judge what he needs to do by what we do. If you do not have an arty strike, please equip it. And make those arties roll, buddies. I mean, one after another.
Don't come back for me.
Alright, let's roll.
Let's go.
Oh,
Don't listen, that matchmaking has been canceled. It's lying to you.
Did you double click it?
I did double click it.
Fellow traveler, what do you have in your Blackjack?
Murder.
Because I've got a strange build: 2 ER large lasers and 6 machine guns.
You, sir, is what I like to call a fool.
Yeah, I know. It works
3
really
large
well
pulse lasers,
sometimes.
that's all you need. It shoots out to about 450, and that means your effective range goes out to 700 meters, and you can just murder shit.
I know. I have large pulse lasers like in that community warfare. That's all I was using, large pulse lasers.
Bam, 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 bam. Oh, also, whenever anyone gets a kill, if you are in the clear, text, "Welcome to the gun show, son."
No.
Don't listen
Never.
to Shaka. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
We want to keep gun show in the game.
As long as Gunshot
We
doesn't
missed
say
him.
it, we're fine. Okay, pick your map. I think...
Forest Colony would be good.
Yeah, tourmaline, maybe?
With speed,
Viridian
man, we can get all over the
bog.
place.
Pick the bog.
I'm going to make it Conquest 2 just so we can say fuck them.
Okay, name of the game is not engaging. We're just gonna win by conquest.
No, we won't engage. We'll just capture, and Kulu will kill everyone. It'll be great.
That's
I'm
right.
gonna sit on the closest fucking point, 50 inches away, or I'll go to the water.
So we're not doing this hunting pack. We're doing a capture.
No.
No,
We're still
no.
doing hunting pack. That was a
Good.
joke.
I thought you'd all lost your
Hard to
minds or
tell
something.
because I'm always
Yeah.
joking.
I'm the one that's gonna go to Kulu.
Okay. Remember, the name of the game is Legs and Strikes. And we got 228, so this should be great. They're all going to be in meta builds, and they're going to hate this.
Oh, this might be a teaching experience for them if we pull this off.
These two Merrics are like, what the fuck?
We can hand them their asses.
The two Merrics are probably very disappointed right now.
Hey,
Good luck, Jeff.
by the way, ED, we're all lights, and we're going to do some murder bullshit, so come with us.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online.
No,
All
come
systems
on.
nominal.
Shh. We got this.
Alright, guys,
Let's
move.
roll.
Well, I guess Phil's in
Oh,
the
yeah,
tech
we don't
position.
give a fuck.
Real useless comment. There's no way we could have known that.
Me and two had this planned like a week ago, and we said we were going to drop at this specific time in hopes that we would see.
Yeah, the Empire theme song is still playing, by the way. It's on a 10-hour loop.
Cool.
Where you
Call a
at, Gary?
grid. I was asking somebody to call a grid.
I'm slow, so one of you cicadas do it.
Oh.
I'm moving at 93.
25%.
Yeah, I'm also doing 93.
We're
Backjack
waiting to
speed.
murder ball up. Yeah, okay, here we go.
Hotel 7, Hotel 7.
L7. Works.
I'm at 142.
Yep, me too.
Artillery strike online.
33.
Let's go get Kappa.
Copy, copy.
Sings we're super fast.
Since we're here,
It's a one-way ticket to midnight. Call me.
You guys are so far
At
ahead.
25%.
Cicada.
heavy
Slow
metal.
down. Slow down.
Look at all this
Major,
hey,
right?
jumping cicada. How bizarre is that?
Okay,
Keep
I'd
us
like to get
together.
out of the water. We're gonna do best in short range surrounding.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
get the hell out of
okay.
the water,
Basically,
man.
we're going to
Back
sit
to
at Hotel 7. Once Kulu's in position, we will just start.
Yep. We'll call Hotel 7 the Beehive. With all
I'm
the
at Hotel
cicadas
7
camping
at
in
the
it.
front line.
They're on the data.
The beehive looking for the queen.
They're on Theta. They're on Theta.
That shit don't matter.
I'm sticky on Kulu's ass.
They're gonna be coming for Sigma.
Okay, if they start hitting Sigma, it's game time.
They are just going to win on points at this rate, though.
Who cares?
Yeah, it's early going, man.
When they hit Sigma, we're gonna let Sigma.
Kulu, not Kulu.
On Sigma.
Go, 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 go,
On
go,
Sigma.
go.
Alright,
Go,
game time,
go,
game
go,
time,
go.
go!
Zang.
Swarm.
Full
Swarm
throttle,
Sigma.
don't stop moving, don't stop moving.
Swarm. Swarm.
Straight down with
Again.
signal.
We go now!
Bravo, close range.
25%.
Alpha.
140 kilometers is awesome.
At 0%.
Charlie,
Just
Charlie.
kill them! Engage them all at once!
All target someone.
Fuel at
No,
0%.
Del
Charlie!
Yeah, okay, just yeah.
Working Charlie.
Legs, legs, legs!
I think I'm on my own over here. Coming back to Sigma.
Leg him, leg him, leg him, leg him!
Charlie, Roger.
Target destroyed.
Alright, moving
Nice
Nova.
kill, Zul.
Nova.
Target acquired.
Keep those strikes
New
moving, keep those
target
strikes
acquired.
moving! Oh man, this is fucking beautiful.
Working
Get
Delta.
off me.
Destroyed.
Alright, move to the
Delta's
next
down.
one.
Target acquired.
Storm Cold
Who's
exit.
next? E?
Alpha, get Alpha off
he's
me,
a lot-
please.
On Foxtrot.
Echo's a wolfhound. Pursuing Echo.
Golf!
New
Another
target
blackjack.
acquired.
Yeah, kill that blackjack, it's a meta
New
build.
target
Oh, he's
acquired.
down. There you go. He's finally down.
Thank you.
Golf, Roger that. Golf.
Golf, golf, golf. He's down.
Golf is down.
Indigo.
India.
India, beautiful.
Kilo.
I'm like. I'm down.
At 25%.
Strike down.
We got 2 kilometers.
Fuel at 0%. New target acquired.
Oh my, this is perfect. They have 3
New
left. Keep it
target
going.
acquired.
Go Hotel 8 and then move left. Juliet?
Working Echo.
Lima's a king crab.
Effigy,
Yeah,
you're shooting
go
torso, not legs.
I can't help it.
Oh no.
Round Echo.
Working the king crab.
Acquired.
Working his legs.
Finish up Echo real quick so you don't have to worry about that light.
Echo left leg.
New target.
Both legs on
acquired.
Echo. Both legs on Echo.
Critical.
One leg down. He's toast. Finish him up. Move on to someone else.
Damage.
Lima's been legged.
Torso. Critical damage.
All right, move on.
Kilo.
Kilo. Get those legs.
No.
New
Good job,
target
Bruce.
Acquired.
Oh,
Good
thanks,
kill.
Bruce.
Sorry.
Don't apologize. It was a good kill.
I'm just aiming for this king crab's legs, is all.
All right, move on Lima.
Don't hit the Gorgo. Don't hit the Gorgo.
Target destroyed.
I think 228 on the left.
You bet they did.
Who's 228? Ah, lovely.
That was fun.
Owned.
Yo, they're pissed.
Are they? Oh, too bad.